Well, the city of Winterset says flash flooding hit the city between 1:30 and 5 a.m. overnight. Local 5's Emma Stroner shares what residents saw as water flowed into their houses.
You're taking a look at water being pumped out onto the street right from this large puddle over here after flash flooding rolled through Winterset overnight. Now, some residents tell me they were hit pretty hard. Winterset resident Becky Eddy says before she was aware of the flooding, her dog knew something was up.
She was weird. She usually just lays down and goes to sleep, but she was panting and nervous.
Then she says she woke up at 4 a.m. to water entering her home.
Our bedroom's in the basement. Water had come in underneath the carpet and it was floating.
As water rose in her basement, she told us she had to act fast.
As the water gets higher to those electric outlets, I'm standing in water. I really don't want to get electrocuted. And so we had limited time, so we tried to get some of the photos and that kind of stuff out.
In her basement, she says she stored thousands of her late father's paintings and has lost many of them to water damage. Becky isn't the only one who experienced flooding into their homes. Resident Jack Jones says water was coming up their sewage.
I noticed that while the water was initially coming in through the toilet, it was coming up through the pipe at an incredible rate, so I grabbed a plunger and held it in place as long as I could.
The city confirmed that at least 5 inches of rain poured into Winterset within 3.5 hours overnight. The city of Winterset said Madison County Emergency Management is currently evaluating assistance needs for those needing disaster recovery. In Winterset, I'm Emma Stroner, Local 5 News.